Today, I'm going to show you how to use Scumble Glaze. But what is it? Why do I need it? Let me explain. I use Scumble Glaze when I want to give a piece of furniture character, that aged look, and this is how I use it. So what we need to do is to mix 3 parts Scumble with 1 part paint of your desired color. So the color I've chosen is a warm grey, and the board has been painted in an off-white. These 2 colours will give me lots of contrast to really show this effect off. What I'm doing is I'm rubbing back the tinted glaze, creating a cloudy patina. By adding more paint, you can add more depth of colour. I just created a subtle finish, but you can add more layers, different colours, to add even more depth. What I've done here is particularly good for French country and that shabby chic look.